As you can see, we are crossing the river. Crossing the river.
You do your whole straight, eh?
Yeah, crossing the river.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah, reaching to the middle.
Yeah. Yeah, crossing. Oh, yeah, the ocean as well. You can swim? You can swim?
I can swim, but the way I get big, I'm not, you know,
When I tell you, you can take it. Yeah, don't worry. There's it.
You say my town region? Yeah, that's what I'm putting in front of you.
No, you're alright.
We almost reach, eh?
Yeah, easy to drive. Yeah, you almost reach. You got a 5 minutes more.
5 more minutes? Eh?
Then we can do boat ride on the one. Oh.
That boat already.
Boat ride. That's my colleague. He's one of the managers with GVR also. He lives on this side and works on this side. He's taking me there. Yeah. We are making sure. Well, they're not far from the bar more, I guess.
Yeah, the force, eh? If you finish the force, now we are across now.
Yeah.
How will go back?
No, we'll go.
We almost reaching, eh?
Yeah.
You play closer to the bar more.
We'll come back.
You're rocking it too much.
That ain't the water. That the wave. That the wave.
Nice, gonna be.
And we still far off. The people are talking behind that, the inking too. We'll come here, you will be ready.
That is that a wave or that meant we need?
No, that a wave. That a wave. By the time we cross here, press here,